With Canva's AI tool, you can create custom images from scratch just by typing in a prompt. It's a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality, unique visuals without expensive software or complex design skills. Before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Open canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, double-check that the Home tab is selected in the top left. You'll see options like background remover and resize, but what we need is the Make Me an Image button. Click it to open Canva's AI Image Generation tool. Here you can choose an aspect ratio first. I'll pick 16.9 for a nice widescreen photo I can use in a YouTube video. Next, select a style. You'll see creative, smart illustration, stock photo, and more. Take a moment to explore until you find one you like. Now it's time to enter the prompt. The more details you give, the better the results. I'll type something like American house from the 1950s, nostalgic feel, golden hour sunset. You can add even more details if you'd like. Then click Create and wait a few seconds while Canva generates the images. As you can see, the results are impressive. It gave me a beautiful 1950s style American house with that warm golden hour glow. If you don't like the first style, just change it and generate again to get a different look. Free Canva accounts come with a limited number of credits, but if you plan to use this every day, you can purchase more. Considering the quality of these AI-generated photos, it's definitely worth it. And that's how you can create stunning custom images like a nostalgic 1950s American house right inside Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.